Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Steam and head straight to your library, because that's where keys are stored when publishers provide them. Once in library, locate the game, right-click it and choose Properties or Manage. This opens the Game Details panel. Make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account, since keys are account-specific. If you don't see Properties, click the gear icon or the 3 dots for that title. This first step reveals whether Steam exposes a CD key or points to a third-party key source. Once you're in the game details, scan tabs labeled CD key, DLC, local files, or controller options, because keys often hide under DLC or a dedicated CD key button. If Steam links out to a third-party service, follow that link to retrieve the code from your publisher account. Also check the store page for View CD key buttons and review any associated DLC entries. If the game was redeemed from an external seller, go to your email receipts or that seller's account to Final Steps. Copy the key exactly, including hyphens, and paste it in to activate a product on Steam or the game's launcher. Small typos break activation. Once activated, write the key in your records or a password manager for future use. If the key doesn't appear or is invalid, gather proof of purchase, transaction ID, invoices, or screenshots, and contact Steam support or the retailer. If a publisher requires support, provide the same proof. This speeds up replacement or validation and gets you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.